everyone, I'm Emma from Ounuo Machinery. For 17 years, Ounuo Machinery has been constantly demonstrating its innovative power and is one of the leading suppliers of packaging machinery. Our products include paper bag machine, non-woven bag machine, paper molding machine, digital printing machine, etc. As a company with global activities, we see ourselves as a partner offering one-stop service, from expert advice and engineering to the delivery of high-quality machines and a complete packaging production line. Ounuo Machinery is currently operating in more than 165 countries and 3,000 factories. We are always striving to live up to our mission. Industry is keeping change because of us. Welcome to Ounuo family.
Welcome to Ounuo. It's very big company and good machines.
Welcome to Ounuo. It was a nice visit at Ounuo, and all the people are very good and the machines are also very good. Welcome to Ounuo.
Welcome to Ounuo.
Hey, my name is Rohit Karnani. I'm from Surya Lakshmi Industries, India. I'm the General Manager of Ounuo India branch. Welcome to Ounuo, everyone.